Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clean the dust container of your Regulus PowerVac 2-in-1. Let's start. First step, we have to remove the handheld out of the handle part of your Regulus PowerVac 2-in-1 because these are relaxing into the power supply station. You have to clean the dust container often because the dust container has not so big volume inside, and of course because of this, once a week, I think until 2 a week, you have to emptying the dust container. But it's so easy, you will see now. First step, you have to remove the handheld. So now let's go to an area where we are going to use the waste disposal bin. There it is. Press the dust container release button on the top to remove the dust container at the front. You only have to push on top, then it's unlocked. After this, you are really easy able to remove the engine unit. And of course the battery unit too. And there it is. The dust container. Hello, dust container. We are going to emptying you now. Take the filter unit out of the dust container by holding the two fixing brackets and empty the container into a waste disposal bin. This is easy because there is a lock there and you are not able to get a little bit of dirt out there, so you can use it as you like and where you like. Only now, if you are removing the dust filter, now the dust container is open, and now you have to take the dust, the hair, the dirt into a recycle bin. Easily, as you can see, this is an easy process. So now the dust container we are going to empty. In my case, it's not so full. Maybe you can do it a bit of better. Okay, dip it in that recycling bin. Job's done. You can take a little bit of water and soap to clean or to have a short clean out at there. But after this, it has to be dry out, of course. But we are going to reassemble now the filter unit. The filter unit is really easy to reassemble. You will see. On the upper side, there is a sign, and this shows you that this is the upper side, of course. The downside is with this window, and this window will matches to the front dust compartment. Now you only have to push it back in position. It does not have to lock in because of the rubber halo around this. The rubber halo will seal the dust container, and this is enough to hold. As you can see, job's done. That is easy, isn't it? Now we have to reassemble the engine again. The engine has two things on the bottom side and one lock on the upper side. First, we have to dip in the downside, as you can see, easy going. And now we have to lock it again. For this, only push on the upper side to the downside a little bit, and then it is locked again. Lock it, baby. Job's done. Now the handheld is ready to use again. But we are going to lock it back to the handle part again because the battery is low and we are going to refill it. Easy going, reassemble it, push it back in position, job's done. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback and see you next time. Soon.